Have you ever felt that something is off with your girlfriend, but you can't quite figure out what? A perplexing question indeed that can leave you scratching your head and your heart pounding with worry. In this world, where communication often gets lost in translation, understanding the unspoken words and deciphering the hidden emotions can be quite a challenge. But worry not, as today we delve deep into the subtle signs that might suggest something is amiss. Firstly, one of the most glaring signs is a sudden change in communication. You might notice that the once lively and engaging conversations have now turned into monosyllabic responses or even eerie silence. An unexpected drop in communication can be a clear indicator that something is bothering her. Secondly, observe the level of affection. Affection is the language of love. If the warm hugs, tender kisses, and loving gestures start to fade, it might signal that there's a problem lurking beneath the surface. Thirdly, pay attention to her social behavior. If she's avoiding social events or gatherings that she usually enjoys, it might be because she's dealing with something that's consuming her mentally and emotionally. Fourthly, a sudden shift in her future plans can also be a red flag. If she used to talk about a future together, but now hesitates or avoids such conversations, it might be a sign that she's reconsidering her options. Lastly, and perhaps the most subtle sign, is when she seems distracted or lost in her thoughts. This could indicate that she's wrestling with an issue that's causing her distress. To summarize, these signs are a sudden change in communication, a decrease in affection, avoidance of social events, a shift in future plans, and appearing distracted. Remember, these signs are not definitive proof of a problem. They are merely indicators that something might be wrong. It's always best to have an open and honest discussion about your concerns. However, it's essential to approach the situation with sensitivity and understanding. Avoid accusations or confrontations. Instead, express your feelings and concerns and give her the space to share what's on her mind. Remember, love is not just about sharing the good times, but also about navigating through the rough patches together. So be patient, be understanding, and most importantly, be there for her. In a relationship, it's the little things that matter the most. So pay attention to these subtle signs and keep the lines of communication open. After all, understanding each other is the first step towards a strong and healthy relationship. Don't let the fear of the unknown cloud your judgment. Instead, use it as a catalyst to strengthen your bond and deepen your understanding of each other. So, the next time you feel that something is off, don't ignore it. Look for these signs, talk about it, and together you'll find a way to navigate through any situation, however difficult it may be.